right, let's go through the solutions for number 3 of the Chapter 5 practice problems. You're given a database, a small database, and we're working with some operations and just trying to search on this a little bit. So, are the attributes airline and destination a key for the database? Well, if we go to airline and destination, what we're looking for are all unique members. So all unique combinations. So the answer to this is no. If you look at fly right and Detroit, that's actually going to happen in the top row and also in this row. And there's also another place, if you go to Jet Green and Denver, you're going to see that that happens twice. So if there's redundance there, we know that that cannot be a key. In part B, now we're supposed to give examples of 2 separate sets of attributes that are keys to the database. And you can see that I've listed a number, an exhaustive list. As long as you have 2 of those, then you've got it. So let's just look at one example. Airline and flight number. So here's airline and here's flight number. If you do combinations, we have fly rate in 122. Is there another fly rate in 122? No, there's a fly rate in 199. There's a fly rate in 322. And then if you look at Jet Green, you have Jet Green 221. And let's see if there's another combination like that, Jet Green 122. So that's not repeated. 323 is also not repeated, and 222. Therefore, because we have all unique elements, we know that that can be a key. So go through the other examples and prove to yourself that those are also keys. And if you have anything within that grouping, then you know that you have it correct. Show the results of the operation select airline equals Jet Green and destination Denver. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the rows, the complete rows that fulfill those requirements. So let's go to airline and we find Jet Green, and then again this is logical, and the destination is equal to Denver. So it also needs equal Denver. So we're going to take that whole row, okay, the second row, and then we're also going to go down here to the second to last row and take that whole row. So that's what you're going to get when you do select. Okay, now with project, we're going to take these columns and make sure that we get rid of any redundance. So we're going to find airline and gate. And we're going to write all the unique elements. So fly rate 34, Jet Green 22, Jet Green 33, Jet Green 34, fly rate 13, Jet Green 22. Now we get to the bottom and there's fly rate 34, which already happened. Therefore, we are not going to include that in the solution. So be careful to make sure you understand and get that part of this, is that you cannot have redundance when it comes to the project. Okay, then in letter E, we're going to show the results of the operation select destination Denver. Okay, so come up here to the table, we have destination Denver. And then, so we're going to have the whole row, and then what we want to do is find out what the gates are going to be. So here's Denver, gate is 22. Here's Denver, gate is also 22. Therefore, because again we're going to get rid of the redundance with project, we'll just have gate 22. Okay, in letter F, what operation or operations should be performed if you want to know which airlines use gate 22? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select gate equal to 22. And then what we're going to do is project what airline. So that will tell us what airline you would get. Okay, in part G, what operation or operations should be performed if you want to know whether there are any flights to Detroit departing before 9:10. So again, we're going to do a select destination equal to Detroit. And we want to know when the departure time is before 9:10. So that's the statement that you would use for that.